So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab and open the cloud console incognito window. Now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's complete this lab together. Now open the console incognito window. Here it is getting signed into automatically. If it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Now the next step is that we have to activate the cloud shell. Okay, just activate the cloud shell like this. Let me show you how you have to activate. From the top of the menu, you can see you have to click on it. Now click on continue and just authorize yourself. Now here basically I will tell you what steps we have to do in this particular event. Okay, basically lab. Click on continue and just authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared one GitHub repository. We are using this GitHub repository. What this does, basically it is a collection of all the commands present on the lab instruction. The first step is, as per the lab instruction, we have to create an API key. How you can create manually? Just navigation menu, API libraries and credential. The second step is creating an image and uploading it to the cloud storage bucket, and then running label detection, web detection and face detection. All things will be done. Once all the curl command executed and all things are done, will be done with the lab, and we'll check the score for all particular tasks. So let's move and wait for it to get completed. So finally you can see all things have been completed. Now let's move to the lab instructions and check the score. And in case you haven't liked the video, like it and to subscribe the channel too.